Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to the class students. After understanding the concept of comparing the numbers, today we are going to discuss how to arrange the given set of numbers in its ascending and descending order. So today's topic is ascending and descending order for the given set of numbers. Okay students? Now very first the point which comes into our mind is what is ascending and what is descending. Ascending means when you are going from a smaller value to a bigger value. At the same time, ascending is when you are going on a staircase in the upward direction, it is called ascending, and when you are coming down from the stair step by step, then it is called descending order. So going upward is ascending and coming downward is descending. When we relate the same concept here with the numbers, so ascending order means to write the numbers in the sequence of smallest to the biggest, whereas descending is just opposite to that, writing the numbers in a sequence of biggest to the smallest. Okay, so you can see some questions on the board which are taken from your book exercise. Let us see how to solve these questions and what will be the correct order of the numbers in its ascending and descending order. So the first question says arrange in the ascending order. So when you have to arrange the numbers in its ascending order, very first you have to find out which is the smallest value, which is the next greater value, the next greater value, and which one is the greatest one. So finding out the smallest value among these four given numbers, 4273, 3583, 4219 and 7518. As I have already told you that when you have to compare and you have to identify which is the smallest number, so the very first is the comparing of its thousand place digit. So what is the thousand place digit in this number? 4. This is 4, 3, 4, 7. So when you compare its thousand place digit, you will come to know which is the smallest among all these 3. 3 is the smallest digit because this is 4, 4 and 7. So this is your smallest number among these four given set of numbers. 3583. Right students? After that you have to put the sign of less than. So 3583 is less than. Now the next greater number. So for next greater number, as you can see, both these thousand place digits are 4 and 4 and they are equal. So when they are equal, we need to compare its next place digit. If we compare its next place digit, it is 2 and 2 at 100 place. Still it is equal. So comparing the next place digit, which is 10th place and 10th place. Here at 10th place we have 7, in the next number 10th place digit is 1. Which is the smaller one? Among 7 and 1, 1 is smaller. That means this complete number is also smaller than the first number. So which number will come next? 4219. Again put the sign of less than. After that the next set of number will be 4273. These two numbers we have already arranged in ascending order. Now we are left with these two numbers. So when we compare these two numbers, it is 4000 and here it is 7000. So this is greater and this is smaller. So in the next block you will write 4273 and the last number will be 7518. So this is how you can arrange the given set of numbers by comparing its digit in its ascending order. Right students? Is it clear to all of you? Now coming to the second part, in which once again four numbers are given to us and we will start comparing its thousand place digit very first. 4, 2, 3, 6. So it is 4000, 2000, 3000, 6000. Which is the smallest one? 2000. That means this complete number is also the smallest one. So 2509. So this number is done. After that, which is the next one? After 2, next is 3000. So this will be our next greater number, 3678. Then, which is the next greater number? 4210. And the last greatest value will be 6250. So this is how we can arrange the given set of numbers in its ascending order. I hope arranging the numbers in ascending order is clear to all of you. You can do the rest of the questions yourself in your notebook. Coming to the second part, which is arranging the numbers in the descending order. Now you have to arrange the numbers in its descending order. That means starting with the biggest number and we have to reach its smallest value. So when you have to find the biggest number among all these, so once again, if I compare its 1000 place digit. So here in the 1000 place we have 4000, 3000, 4000, 7000. Which is the biggest among this all? Yes, 7518 is the biggest value. So you will write 7580 and now you will put the sign of greater than, because this is the greatest value. So this number is done. I will put a tick here. Now comparing between the rest of the three numbers, the next smaller value than 7518 can be 4273 or 4290. Now comparing its 100 place digit, both the digits are equal. It is 2 at 100 place, 2 at 100 place. Now compare its next digit. Here we have 7 at 10th place and 1 at 10th place in the next number. Which is the greater one? 7 is greater or 1 is greater? Yes, 7 is greater. So the next smaller value than 7518 is 4273. Put the sign of greater than. After this, the next value will be 4219. And the last but not the least, the smallest value among the four is 3583. Okay students, so this is how you can arrange the numbers in the descending order. Done? Coming to the last part. Now once again you have to compare the numbers and arranging it into descending order. So if I compare its 1000 place digit, as you can see, 5000, 5000, 5000, 5000. That means at 1000 place all the digits are same. So when the digits are same, what we will do? We do compare the next place digit. That is 7, 6, 4, 2. So among this 7, 6, 4, 2. 7 at 100 place, 6 at 100 place, 4 at 100 place and 2 at 100 place. Which is the greatest digit? 7. It means this number is the biggest one. So 5764 is the greatest number. After this, the next smaller value will be 5675. 5675. After this, the next smaller value will be 5442. And the last smallest value among the four is 5224. Okay students, so today we have learned how to arrange the given set of numbers in ascending and descending order. I hope today's lesson is clear to all of you. Kindly go through your book exercise and complete the questions in your notebook. Thank you for the lesson students. Have a great day.